Okay, I've just got to show that bit. I'll probably have to put this on as 2 parts because I cocked the video. Basically, you get this, put it on yourself, get a pencil, which is nice to make a nice pencil mark there. Bring it across to the other side, make a pencil mark there. Okay, these are important, so make sure you put them on properly. 2 little pencil marks, nice, won't cause any real problem. Now what we do, discard that little plastic thing. Okay, it's your insert. Now these wheels have to be on the bottom. Okay, so they're on the bottom. See? Fold. Fold it over. Do the same to the other side, that big side, just fold it over. Make sure the wheels are down. All this, you just basically slot in. Now, so you're going to be a bit wary now. These are the screws you use. There's 4 pointed screws, okay? Make sure this is lined up to that pencil mark on the edge and hold it. You've got already pre-drilled screws in here, so just gently put it in, hold it there. You can use an electron screwdriver if you've got one. I've got one, but I don't need to get it out for this. But make sure you screw that all the way into the wood, and it'll pop off, okay? You do the top one there, and it's exactly the same on the other side. So make sure the edge at the bottom is lined up on that pencil mark, otherwise your drawers won't go in. Okay. Throw it in there, start it off, it'll hit the wood, starts biting, let it bite, go all the way now. See? It's all the way there, same here, on this side. What I'm trying to show you is this is quite wobbly. But this bottom bit where I made the pen, that needs to be, see it does that, so line up with the pencil mark there and hold it. Okay, hold it on there. Get your screw, doesn't matter which screw, squeeze it in obviously. There. It's a little starter hole, start it off in the starter hole if you can. Get your screwdriver. And once it starts to bite, you're okay. See, that's bit now. That's not a problem, so do that. Yeah, that's it. It's right on the pencil mark. So, last screw. That's it, last one to go in. I was going to use my electron screwdriver, but I'm getting out, so I'm getting out now. There's a starter hole, so don't just gently feed it in. Once it starts to bite like that, you're okay. Make sure you got the right screwdriver as well, because it's got to get through the laminate on the wood first, which makes it a bit difficult. Once it goes, it's through. Right, there you go. So that's the insert for it. I've already made the drawer, which I showed you earlier. drawer, line them wheels up to an angle, and then it'll just slot in. There's the second drawer, exactly the same, a little bit of an angle. Make sure the wheels go over the top of the wheels. There you go. Done. That's how easy. It's just a bit fiddly. I hope that helps you. Thanks for watching. Bye.